Welcome to our channel where we talk about all things finance. In this video, we're going to show you how to build wealth with a step-by-step guide. Building wealth is a process that requires discipline and patience, but the good news is that anyone can do it regardless of their income level. So, let's dive deeper into each step and get started. Step 1. Get your finances in order. The first step to building wealth is to get your finances in order. This means creating a budget and tracking your spending. You need to know exactly where your money is going and what you can cut back on. Look at all of your expenses and see where you can make changes. Can you cut back on your dining out expenses? Can you switch to a cheaper cell phone plan? Once you have a budget in place, stick to it. This will help you identify areas where you can save money and put more towards your financial goals. Another important aspect of getting your finances in order is paying off any debt you have, especially high-interest debt like credit card debt. Make sure you are making at least the minimum payments on all of your debts each month, but if possible, try to pay more than the minimum. This will help you pay off your debt faster and save you money in interest charges. Step 2. Start investing early. The second step to building wealth is to start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. You should consider investing in a 401k or IRA for retirement, as well as investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's important to remember that investing carries risks, so it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investments. One of the best ways to invest is through a 401k or IRA. These are retirement accounts that offer tax advantages, which means you can save money on taxes. A 401k is offered through your employer, and you can contribute up to a certain amount each year. An IRA is an individual retirement account that you can open on your own. Both types of accounts offer different investment options, so it's important to research which one is right for you. In addition to retirement accounts, you can also invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, and the value of the stock can go up or down depending on the company's performance. Bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments, and they offer a fixed rate of return. Real estate investing can involve buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Again, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investments. Step 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is essential to building wealth. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, which is when you increase your spending as your income increases. Instead, focus on keeping your expenses low and saving as much as possible. This will help you build up your savings and invest more money for your future. One way to live below your means is to avoid unnecessary expenses. For example, instead of buying a new car, consider buying a used car or taking public transportation. Instead of dining out at expensive restaurants, cook at home and pack your lunch for work. These small changes can add up over time and help you save more money. Another way to live below your means is to save money on housing. Housing is often the biggest expense for most people, so finding ways to reduce your housing costs can make a big difference. Consider living in a smaller home or apartment, or finding a roommate to split the rent. You can also consider refinancing your mortgage or negotiating your rent with your landlord. By reducing your housing costs, you can free up more money to save and invest. Step 4. Create multiple streams of income. Creating multiple streams of income is another key to building wealth. Relying on one source of income can be risky, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Having multiple streams of income can provide stability and security. There are many ways to create multiple streams of income, including starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or earning passive income through dividends or royalties. Starting a side hustle is a great way to earn extra income. This can include freelancing, starting a small business, or selling goods online. There are many opportunities to make money outside of your regular job, and a side hustle can help you earn extra income and build new skills. Investing in rental properties is another way to create multiple streams of income. Owning rental properties can provide a steady source of rental income each month, as well as potential appreciation in property value over time. Of course, being a landlord also comes with its own set of responsibilities and risks, so it's important to do your research and consult with a professional before investing in rental properties. Earning passive income through dividends or royalties is another way to create multiple streams of income. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, while royalties are payments made to owners of intellectual property, such as music or patents. Both of these can provide a steady stream of income without requiring active work. Step 5. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes discipline and patience. It's important to stay committed to your financial goals, even when faced with setbacks or obstacles. This means continuing to save and invest, even when the market is down or when unexpected expenses arise. It also means resisting the temptation to make impulsive purchases or spend money on things that don't align with your values. Staying patient is also important. Building wealth takes time, and there are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. It's important to focus on the long term and be willing to make sacrifices in the short term for the sake of your financial future. Conclusion. Building wealth is a process that requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to take risks. By getting your finances in order, starting to invest early, living below your means, creating multiple streams of income, and staying disciplined and patient, you can build the financial security and freedom you desire. Remember, building wealth is not a destination, but a journey that requires continuous effort and commitment. So, start taking steps today to build the wealth you deserve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice.